Should you or should you not trade with Pepperstone in 2026? You see, on paper, Pepperstone looks like a good broker, having multiple regulations, competitive pricing, advanced trading platforms, and access to a variety of markets. But as every experienced trader knows, what a broker advertises and what a trader experiences can be two very different things. So before you open an account or move your money into Pepperstone, there's one important question we need to answer, which is, does Pepperstone still offer a genuinely competitive trading environment in 2026, or are there better alternatives today? Let's find out. Now, before we go deep, one thing you will immediately notice that looks somewhat different from our 2025 review of Pepperstone is that their website interface has changed. Let's now head on to a brief history about Pepperstone. Pepperstone has evolved from an Australian ECN-style Forex broker into one of the most globally recognized retail CFD and spread betting brokers. Their story began in Melbourne, Australia in 2010, but today, Pepperstone has 12 offices in different countries. They seem to have established a strong reputation over the years as a leading spread betting and CFD broker, particularly among scalpers, day traders, and algorithmic traders seeking competitive pricing, fast execution, and advanced trading infrastructures. Its growth story is certainly impressive, but a broker's history only tells us where it came from. What matters even more is who is regulating it and what protections traders receive today. Regulation is one of Pepperstone's strongest areas. It is regulated across several major jurisdictions like the Financial Conduct Authority, the FCA in the UK, the Australian Securities and Investments Commissions, the ASIC in Australia, the DFSA in Dubai, the CMA in Kenya, and SCB in Bahamas. This multi-jurisdiction setup is standard in the industry, but investor protection differs substantially based on the regulatory authority and the jurisdiction it covers. Protections like segregated funds, negative balance protection, leverage cap, compensation scheme all differs based on the regulatory authority and their jurisdictions. In countries without a local regulator, or if Pepperstone accepts clients through an offshore entity rather than a local regulator, it is important you understand how this impacts your trading account. Operating under an offshore regulatory authority typically means that the standard retail investor protection is limited or entirely unavailable. Always review which Pepperstone regulatory entity governs your account before funding. Now, regulation alone does not mean that the broker is absolutely good. Does Pepperstone still deliver a competitive trading environment in 2026? And does it genuinely deserve its reputation? That's the question we need to answer. To answer that question, let's begin with the assets they make available to their clients. As a spread bet and CFD broker, Pepperstone provides traders access to a wide range of tradable financial instruments that are over 1,300, allowing traders to diversify their portfolio across different financial markets. You can trade over 5 major, over 5 minor, over 10 crosses, and over 55 exotic forex pairs, over 15 major indices from North America, Europe, Asia, and Africa, a broad range of Australian, German, UK, US, and Hong Kong shares that are over 1,000, over 11 commodities including metals like gold, energies like Brent, and softs like cocoa, and ETFs from across 30 countries. Have it in mind that spread bet availability is not global. It is only available to UK traders. And when you spread bet any instrument, you will not be charged capital gains tax. But you see, these assets are dependent on your own jurisdiction. Now, a broker can offer thousands of instruments. But if the trading platforms to access those instruments are limited, accessing them can become far less appealing. So let's look at the technology Pepperstone puts in the hands of its traders. Pepperstone is one of the most platform-diverse trading environments available to traders today. Unlike brokers that force traders into a single proprietary terminal, Pepperstone is built around giving traders genuine platform choice. They currently offer 5 core trading platforms, which are the Pepperstone Trading Platform, MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, cTrader, and TradingView integration. All the platforms are available on Windows, web, and as a mobile app on Android and iOS devices, but TradingView is also available on macOS and Linux devices. Now, as a trader who prefers automated trading, you cannot auto trade with Pepperstone and TradingView platforms, but you can auto trade with APIs on MetaTrader platforms and with cTrader Automate on the cTrader platform. Backtesting can be carried out on all platforms except on the Pepperstone proprietary platform. All the platforms support the use of indicators for technical analysis, but the indicators differ according to platforms. On the TradingView and cTrader platforms, you can adjust your session times, but you cannot do that on the MetaTrader platforms and the Pepperstone platforms. In most cases, the session times are based on your local time zone. Now, unlike some other ECM brokers, Pepperstone will not show you the depth of market on the MetaTrader platforms, not to talk of on the TradingView platform. Market depth is only available on the cTrader platform and their proprietary platform. As for detachable or floating charts, the MetaTrader and their proprietary platforms do not support it. You can only detach your charts and properly place each chart independently across one or multiple monitors when you trade with TradingView or cTrader. And cTrader is considered by some traders as one of the best retail trading platforms for detachable charts. In the same vein, if you trade automated trading strategies, you will not be able to trade using cloud hosting or VPS on the MetaTrader platforms and on their proprietary platform, but TradingView and cTrader supports it. Although I had earlier mentioned that Pepperstone offers over 1,300 assets, the MetaTrader 4 platform does not really offer a really broad range of assets. On MetaTrader 4, you cannot trade shares and ETFs, but you can trade other instruments like commodities, indices, and Forex, which in total is a little over 100 assets. Meanwhile, the MetaTrader platforms are made up of over 28 indicators and tools. You can also engage in algorithmic trading on the MetaTrader and cTrader platforms. Now, if you're a copy trader, you can also engage in copy trading with Pepperstone, but this is not available in all regions, especially in the UK. Platform choice is definitely important, but sooner or later, every trader asks the same question, which is, how much is all of this going to cost? Let's break down Pepperstone's account types, spreads, commissions, and other fees. Pepperstone generally provides a selection of 3 account types tailored to suit different trading preferences and skills, including 2 CFD accounts, which are the standard account and the razor account, and then the spread betting account. The standard account is tailored for traders, especially beginners, who would prefer a simple and transparent pricing model. On this account, trading costs are built directly into the spread, with variable spreads on Forex, indices, and commodities. Spread starts from 1 pip on major Forex pairs, eliminating the need for separate commission charges on all instruments, except for shares, with commission from 0.2% round turn on UK share CFDs. The razor account is designed for active or experienced traders, scalpers, and algorithmic traders who prioritize highly competitive pricing and fast execution. It offers raw spreads from 0.0 pips on major Forex pairs and spot gold, with fixed commission. Commission start from £4.5 round turn per lot. Why this pricing model provides greater transparency by separating spreads from commissions, whether it results in lower overall trading costs, depends on factors such as trading volume, market conditions, and the specific assets being traded. Available exclusively to UK residents, the spread betting account trading costs are typically incorporated into the spreads, with average spread from 0.7 pips, eliminating the need for separate commission charges. A notable benefit of this account is that all profits are exempt from UK's capital gain tax and stamp duty, although tax treatment depends on individual circumstances and may be subject to change. Now, additional charges like inactivity fees, overnight or swap fees, market data fees, or even currency conversion fees can have an overall impact on your trading expenses. One of Pepperstone's key advantages is the absence of inactivity fees. That is, you can leave your account dormant for extended period without incurring maintenance charges, making it suitable for both active and infrequent traders. However, accounts that remain inactive for more than 3 months, having less than 10 units of your base currency, will be archived, and that account cannot be reactivated for trading. So you will need to open a new live account. but your demo account expires after 60 days of creation. But you can request for your demo account to last for 90 days once you have a funded live account. As a Pepperstone client, you can receive access to real-time market pricing or market data without being charged market data fee. However, certain exchange-traded products or professional-grade market data feeds may carry subscription fees imposed by the relevant exchanges that provides the market data and not Pepperstone. For traders who regularly hold positions overnight and over the weekend and even during holidays, overnight fees, also known as swap or financing charges and rollover fees, will apply for your trading positions. Currency conversion fees may apply whenever a transaction involves a currency different from the account-based currency. Now, maximum leverage could be 1:30 or even 1:400 depending on your region and regulatory jurisdiction. Note that on TradingView, the standard account is not supported. Also note that some of the costs and features differs based on the regulatory authority and the jurisdiction. For high-level traders, Pepperstone offers an active trader program that provides rebates and trading cost reductions on Forex, index, and commodities trading commission based on monthly trading activity, as well as benefits like access to VPN. But this is not available to traders in some regions like in the UK. Competitive pricing can help improve trading performance, but even the best pricing structure won't help traders who lack the skills and knowledge needed to navigate the market effectively. Pepperstone provides a comprehensive range of educational resources designed to support traders at different stages of their trading journey. They offer a dedicated learning hub featuring beginner-friendly guides, market analysis, and educational content covering key concepts such as risk management, technical analysis, trading psychology, and market fundamentals. In addition to its written educational materials, Pepperstone regularly hosts webinars led by market professionals and trading experts. Now we know that traders need educational resources to improve their trading knowledge, but there might be inevitable moments where they will just need direct assistance, and that's where customer support comes in. Customer support is one of Pepperstone's strong features. They provide support through request form, phone call, and email channels, ensuring clients can access assistance through their preferred method of communication. In our 2025 review of Pepperstone, live chats was available right on the website, but right now, that feature is only available to their clients through their personal area or their trading portal. Now, their support is available 24 hours a day during the trading week, with extended coverage on weekends. If you're a beginner and would like to open an account with Pepperstone, we did a step-by-step guide on how to open an account with them in our 2025 review of Pepperstone. The link to that will be in the description. You can check that out. But opening an account is only part of the process. You will need to know how to fund your account, but most importantly, how to withdraw your money when necessary. With Pepperstone, you can fund and withdraw money from your account through a range of convenient funding options like Apple Pay, Google Pay, credit and debit cards, domestic and international bank transfers, as well as e-wallets like PayPal, Neteller, Skrill, BPay, PayID, and the likes. But this depends on your region. So far, we've examined Pepperstone's strengths, features, and costs. But then, no broker is perfect. To give you a complete picture, let's look at the advantages and disadvantages traders need to carefully take a look at before opening an account with Pepperstone. Beginning with the pros. Pepperstone is regulated by multiple regulatory authorities. This gives traders some sort of confidence to know that they are covered by certain rules. They offer extensive platform selection, and few brokers offer as much platform flexibility as Pepperstone. Traders can choose from MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, TradingView, cTrader, or even their proprietary trading platform. They have good environment for scalpers and algorithmic traders. The Razor account supports automated trading, API access, and cTrader automates, making Pepperstone particularly attractive to active traders. They also provide a competitive pricing structure with raw spreads from 0 pips on the Razor account, relatively low commissions, and zero inactivity and market data fees. With access to over 1,300 CFD instruments across various markets, traders can diversify their portfolios. Pepperstone also offers strong educational offerings suitable for both beginners and professional traders. The Active Trader program is also a plus, especially for eligible regions. With this program, active traders can benefit from rebates, commission reductions, and other trading benefits. Now to Pepperstone cons. Standard accounts are not available on TradingView, limiting flexibility for traders, especially beginners. Depth of market is only available on the cTrader and the Pepperstone platform, and not available on the MetaTrader platforms and the TradingView platform. Live accounts with less than 10 units of your account-based currency that has been inactive for 3 months will be archived, and that account cannot be reopened for trading. So you will need to open a new account with Pepperstone to continue trading with them. Lastly, copy trading and the Active Trader program is not available in all regions. In all, Pepperstone remains one of the good choices for traders who prioritize platform variety, competitive pricing, and multiple financial assets. However, it is not perfect, and many of its features, protections, and benefits depend heavily on where you live and under which regulatory entity your account is opened. Now know this. A broker like Pepperstone is important, but your trading decisions are far more important. Many beginners spend a long time searching for the perfect broker, convinced that lower spreads, tighter execution, or an extra platform feature will somehow make them profitable. The reality is that a trader with a bad strategy and the best broker in the world will still lose money, while a disciplined trader can often succeed with an average broker. Now, to answer the question we asked from the beginning of this review, Pepperstone remains a competitive broker in 2026, but whether it is best for you depends on your trading style, your platform requirements, your location, and even your risk tolerance. Like I always say, no broker will make you profitable, no platform will fix your poor risk management, and no amount of leverage will replace discipline. The traders who last in the industry are those who focus on consistency, risk management, and capital protection. If you found this video helpful, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to this channel. We regularly publish detailed brokers review to help traders like you make informed decisions. Now, if you're currently using Pepperstone or you've used them in the past, kindly share your experience in the comment section below. Your feedback could help another trader avoid a costly mistake, or it may even help them find a perfect broker for their needs. Until I come your way again, happy trading.